Join.
Team.
May mic ba to?
Team.
Meron.
Ito si Levi, oh.
Saan ka yung...
Dito sa gitna. Saan tayo?
Now
May
I wanna
3
see the
players
wig.
dito. May 3 players ba?
Meron. Ay, wala. 4 players.
Ito. Tara.
Tara, sundan natin si Levi. Endless mode. Wow.
Let's go.
Wait lang. Adjust ko yung ano.
Christmas update. New anomalous customers +5. Anomalous event +1. New screamer +2. Customers are now 30% faster. Bug fixes. Tutorial skip button added. And bug with the narrator has been fixed. What's the rule?
May mga rules dyan yung mga ano. Like, may bawal kang tignan na customer. Huwag mo titignan yung mata niya. Ganon.
Oh, look at that! I can see your hair.
Uy, that's nice. Dati kasi wala. Like, we're bald. Yeah. Uy, andun na. Nag-start na yung boss natin. Boss, wait lang, boss. Uy, Vince. Uy, Vince. Uy. Andyan si ano?
Bossing, bakit kalbo?
Bossing, ba't kalbo ka ba? Sorry, bossing, judger kami sa kalbo. Charot lang, bossing. Andyan si ano, si Seiji. Seiji, ano? Tara.
Say.
Tara, say. Say. Kalbo.
Welcome to the night shift.
Say, sama ka, say.
If a smile customer comes in.
Ay, may customer na tayo. Uy, sali daw si Say. Ulit tayo. Pwede pa siya mag-join ng ano? Or ano, Levi? Pwede ba siya mag-join? She dancing. Really? She's not dancing on my end. Oh, wait. Let's rejoin tayo para maka-join si ano? Si Vicente. Tara.
Let's go, Maliv.
Okay. What? CCTV. Wait, I wanna see that. Imagine. Tara. I'ma leave. Tapos, tara na, Vicente.
Vicente. Saan galing yun?
Vincent? Vince?
Heck yan.
Invento. Bagay naman eh. Dala mo, Vicente, ang tagal. Vision? May vision pala dito. Ang lakas ng tunog, what the fudge?
No, I'm not human. FM on. What's that?
You're not human? Yamgachi.
Ah, yung night vision daw yun, me.
Doon mo siya nakitang ano, sumasayaw. Tignan niyo, kamukha ko yung avatar ko. Cute. Tingnan lang ako naka-cut ears ngayon.
Tali.
Nakatali lang siya nga. Yan na si ano, Vicente. Tara, tara, tara. My wig is fake, I'm getting bald. Kaya nga, ba't gano'n? Nawawala siya.
No.
Iniwan ka? Ha? Pumasok ka, kaya nga nag-start eh.
Nako, sino nang iwan sa'yo?
Hindi siya nakapasok. Eh, ba't nag-start? Ay, iba yung pumasok? Wait, really? 1, 2.
Really? Ito.
Tatlo lang kami. Ulit.
Oh,
Hindi nakapasok si Zay.
oh my god, may pusa dito. Is that you, Zay?
Si Nines. Ano ba yan? Ulit tayo, Levi. Hindi nakapasok yung si Vicente.
Vicente. Oo, naman si Vicente.
Ayan na. Vicente ka na.
Ano kaya yun? Saka na full screen. Ay.
End ko na muna to.
Okay, mas okay na nakatanggal eh. Kasi we're
Yung.
playing together naman.
Yung. Sana si
Asa
Ana?
si ano?
Si Levi.
Asan ka na, Levi?
Levi. Saan ka na? Ay, ito siya.
Ito siya. Saan tayo? Saan tayo? Dami yung kabang. Bawal.
May nangaabang. Saan tayo? Diyan na? Eh, ba't kasi baka biglang pumasok to? Doon na lang.
Let's go.
Yay!
Hey.
Sure mo. Nakalay pa ako.
Pamangkin mo?
Si Tyron Ace. Nakalive ako Tyron Ace ha.
Pero iis.
Ito, sabi na rin lang tap. Tap.
Ano daw sabi niya? Narinig ko siya.
Tap-tapin niya daw.
Tap.
Ayun na nga. Ayun na. Dito mo yung likod ng ano? Bakit natin yung buhok niya nasa puwet? Levi! Yung buhok mo nasa puwet! Why? Why is that? Why is that? Dito mo, oh my god, like, I saw it! Why?
To your next shift at
Para
Shawarma
sinasabi mo,
Kiosk.
may buhok siya
Let's
sa
start with
puwet.
Step 1. Turn on
I
the
don't know.
grill.
What the fuck?
Customers just love their shawarma hot.
Guys, we
Great.
closed the
Now
door.
open the window. Before serving, be sure to read
Aray
the
ko.
safety rules.
Maano yung ano ko?
They're super friendly, just like we are. And while you wait, feel free to watch TV
Anong
or
on nito?
listen to the
Ayun.
radio. Music keeps the mood up. Friendly reminder, don't look into their eyes. It's
Fake po
more
yung
fun
ID
that
nyo,
way.
ba't wala kayong
Have a
buhok?
wonderful
Charot.
shift. Smile, serve, and everything will be just perfect. They're all
May buntot. Oo nga eh, Levi, ba't nandun?
Tell feeder if you don't want to serve a customer. Serve normal
Ho, ho,
customers.
ho, merry evening.
Ho, ho,
Ho, ho, ho!
I'm not a
Smell
ho.
your food from
I'm
very-
not a hoe. Also, why is your bag moving like
Yes, I've
looks
been
like
flying all night.
there's a live
The
person
radio
in
is
there?
Hungry. I'm hungry too. One shawarma
One shawarma.
and a soda, cold.
Are we gonna serve that
Very
person?
cold, like the North Pole.
He looks like a criminal.
Rate
Charot.
bottle 200.
May gumagalaw sa bag niya. O, diba, pak? Oh, grabe naka-shades. Knock ng putya, Vicente! Knock ng putya.
Guess
Okay
you're
na ba?
on the naughty
Okay
list
na?
this year.
It's good na ba?
I'm shining.
Nobody's outside. Irashaimase!
Irashaimase! Shiny, shimmering, splendid.
Chin-chin.
Si Levi. Pero ba't kaya napunta sa part niya yung ano, buhok niya? Uy!
Shawarma. Haven't eaten since lunch.
All right, that will be 150.
Oh, white. Oh, white.
Convert, reptile. Convert.
Parang may lumabas na naman.
Not with lavish. Lavish. Face. Put face.
Sabi ko na ba may lumabas eh. Grabe ka naman mag-check, boy. Ala, pareho pa silang lumabas. Guys,
What's
guys.
the sauce?
Guys, baka mailang yung customer natin, guys.
Guys, introvert yan. Hindi
Mm-mm.
masyadong lapitan.
Guys. Ayan na. Meron ng karne, yung shawarma.
Meron na?
Mm-mm. I mean, nakapag ano na ako. Kapag grill. Welcome to the night shift. Stay calm.
Here you go.
Follow the rules. If smiling customer comes in, hand
Holy
him a
smells
soda.
amazing.
The wet moving bundle gives you must stay sealed until the counter under the counter. Go with me,
Ano,
Jeff.
keep.
Hello and welcome to Mr. Gungus's Game of the Day.
What? What?
Today we are going to be playing Spot the Stranger.
Someone's at the...
Two shawarma daw.
Not grilled, please.
Not grilled, please.
That will be 350.
Dalawa sila? Bakit isa lang yung nakikita natin sa ano? Sinaraduhan na.
Ba't mo sinaraduhan?
Kasi-
natin yun!
Hindi.
Literally.
Isa lang kasi yung nagpapakita pero dalawa yung sa camera.
What is wrong with you?
What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Oh my god, ba't may kumakatok?
Damn, who's knocking?
Oh my god, bro. No, stop. Stop that, bro.
Tare desu ka?
Tare.
Take the money? Did I take the money? Kumuha ba tayo ng pera? Hindi ko nakita eh.
I do not know.
Two shawarma.
Uy!
No grilled.
May tao sa likod niya. May
What?
monster sa likod niya.
Oh, di ba? Walo. Ayun nga, oh. Shiba. Lugugu.
You gotta
No
save the
way.
money. How do you take the money though? I'm gonna close the... ano na?
Yeah. Kasi may ano sa likod niya
Me...
Two shawarma I was about to order, and you slammed the window. Unbelievable.
Unbelievable.
Unbelievable. Uy, December pa lang dito.
Say, labas ka dun sa labas. Ay, oo nga. Labas ka dun.
Shawarma, please.
O nga sa'yo, yun yung shorty mo last time.
Don't cut it in half.
Mag-akit ka ng customer.
Ayan na nga, oh.
Kumanta ka na, ano, pamaskong song.
December para naman
Sayaw
dito eh.
somebody.
Food first, worries later.
Please make the payment.
Wala tong puwet. Uy! Seiji. Ba't may kumakatok?
To say. Lato.
Sama mo.
Are we gonna, ano?
Nagbayad na ba siya? Ah! Putang ina, what the fuck? Oh my god.
Nagbabayad ba kayo ng kuryente? Gosh.
Ang sakit sa tega.
Are we gonna, ano? Give her food?
I guess. Hindi naman natin siya sasarhan.
Kahit may anomalies.
Yeah?
Say hashtag ka eh.
Oo, kasi may sinasabi siyang di maganda.
Hot and ready.
Fact, nothing's stopping me tonight.
Stopping you from what?
Nothing's gonna stop me. Never gonna give you up.
Never gonna let you down.
I'm gonna run away.
Right. There
Ay,
is...
sir. Ang ginawa, tinamasa tayo, di ka hindi siya nagbayad.
Di nga.
Di mo kinuha yung bayad.
Wala to.
Sumasayaw siya. Wow,
Oh,
saya-saya niya.
Make it fast.
Hey.
150.
Very shotsy. Hey.
Can I ask you something?
What?
Tatanong kasi.
Where do you wash your hands and go to the bathroom?
Hala, bakit ano?
I don't want to know that.
Uy, andyan yung inspector. Should go out. We should go out. And do not look to the shawarma house.
Oh. Sabi nila pogi daw yan eh. Charot.
Oh, really?
Now I wanna look.
Are we good? Oh, we good. Okay, give you
Here
up.
you go.
Hey.
Finally,
We gonna
thanks.
know
I
it.
was starving.
We're starving. Actually, may isa pang customer. Fake customer. Fake.
Sarado yun. Sumasayaw din siya.
Dapat magsalita ka rin. Dapat magsalita ka rin ng ano eh.
I want the shawarma.
What customer is this? Wala, bakit gumagalaw yung shawarma?
It's moving.
Why is it moving?
Shiver.
Where do we go out? If it's moving like that? Why are you guys going out?
I go out.
There's a customer.
Whoa.
Training is nothing without.
Wait, is he drunk?
Ang boses mo.
Is he drunk or something? Ay, may ano sa likod niya. Ew! Wait, may bilog-bilog. Yak! Yung ano. Hi, Kuya Mana. Hello. Is that a person or ano? He looks like, parang napossess. Keme. Kasi may ano sa likod niya.
My
What?
voice.
You close the window before I eat.
Why?
How can a warrior train?
Before you eat,
Why?
Dishonor.
yak! May
On
galis.
this cold December evening, the player did not yet know how the shift would end.
Oo nga.
Snow slowly settled on the asphalt. The security cameras clicked softly.
Welcome, Chagya!
Empty yard and a quiet street.
Tunog
When the
eh.
customer arrived, he looked completely normal. So normal. It was almost unsettling.
What? We're not even open, you know?
One shawarma, please. Sure, that will be 100.
Boy.
Ano tong something na to sa likod?
Tao
the
sa
glass.
labas! May tao sa
Then,
labas.
at the camera screen,
Sa pinto?
Wala na sa bintana.
and made a decision. The window was closed.
I-close daw natin
According
yung
to the
window.
story, the window was closed.
Gusto niya i-close natin yung store.
According to the store,
Gagalit yung narrator.
why would we close the door?
I said the player closed the window.
We don't close the window, Levy? Don't follow him, okay.
Don't follow the narrator.
Yeah.
This is the part. Closes the window!
Go cry about it.
The window.
Go cry about it.
Here's your shawarma. Thanks.
Thanks.
The player decided not to complicate things. He served the customer.
Yeah, Kuya Mono,
Sometimes
it's
the safest
shawarma.
choice is the most ordinary one. The customer took his order and left. Nothing bad happened. The story could have ended differently, but tonight it did not.
It did not. I heard nothing award. Ang cute. Ay, gago! Ay. Bakit ano na, umuusok?
Hey,
Ay.
what's up, Bowen?
GPA for a little.
Nagmumura siya, guys.
Umiikot si Say.
Miss it.
Sure. Next time, Kuya Mono. Let's play next time then. Ulo, what the heck is that? Ay, putang ina, nasa taas! Bro.
Paano linisin yung
Actually, monster ata yun eh.
Paano linisin tong kalan?
Hindi siya kalat. Parang monster siya na mamaya babangon. Ang lakas.
May tao sa labas. Ay, nawala.
Sayaw ka na, sayaw. Ingay. Tatrabaho tayo dito.
Long day on the road. One shawarma and soda.
Well, sure.
One shawarma and soda.
My little soda pop.
Just a moment, it'll be ready. Alright, I'll wait.
Alright.
200 mo binigay niya.
My little soda pop.
What's all?
We're not grilling.
Soda pop.
I can think of every drop I drink on. And I shut up, pop. A little soda pop. You saved my night.
Finally,
Turn off daw.
saved my night.
Turn off?
Close the window and go to the bus stop. Tapos na?
Ay, tapos na yung shift natin. Wow. Uy, Eos. End of ship.
Tinuraduhan ako eh.
Sisi yun. Guys, kailan sahod? Kailan sahod, guys?
Para. Hindi ba ngayon na? One day lang yun. Another day.
Another day.
shawarma.
Shibar. Hindi nyo, guys, iniwan nyo lang yung ano. Antayin ng boss, gabi kayo.
Inasalanduhan talaga mo siya.
Itong Vicente na to.
Vicente. Tao. Ba't walang ko nakain
Alright,
buong
that will
araw?
be 150.
Ba't walang ko nakain?
Bakit parang plastered yung ulo niya? Like yung mukha niya.
Ano pa yun? Oh!
Is he just bald or...
Ba't siya umutot? Ano ba yun?
bastos? Diba? Kakaiba kasi yung bandang ulo niya. Lumabas na para i-check.
Boss! Bossing!
Boss!
Bador ka po!
Bossing! Ano say? Anong inspector mo? Anong na-inspect mo? Ano?
Bossing!
Here you go.
Oh no, you farted in my food! You're lucky I'm hungry! Who farted in the food? What?
Say.
What a smell!
Lucky I'm hungry. Man, what is that smell?
Ba't nandyan si
Parang may dugo? Saan?
Yung lalaki?
Takot naman yung mukha niya.
Yan.
Ba't ganyan yung mukha niya?
For me, yes, my kids already ate, but I skipped. Can't cook after today.
Silipin mo ulit. Why? Why did you close it, Levi? Nande?
Wonderful kids are fed. I only wanted something small for myself.
Why, Levi? What's wrong with that lady?
What's wrong with the lady?
Ayan na, nakatok na.
Eyes, yung eyes daw.
Sa bagay.
Beautiful eyes.
Umalis siya, oh.
Hindi ka naman. Sundan mo, Sig! Sundan mo!
Aso eh. Fetch! Fetch! Go fetch!
Warma, now.
Ginoong aso si...
Yoko matanda, Lola. Gusto niya yung shorty eh. Hindi pa natin nakikita yung shorty mo eh. Pero ganun din yung buhok nun eh.
Make it fast.
Okay lang yun, wag mo na lang tignan yung mukha. Yung buhok na lang.
So does 50.
Cheers! My little soda pop. Tatakpan mo yung mukha. Yeah.
Uy, excuse me. Excuse me, sir?
Parang siyang galit. Sure? Are you good, sure? Why is your hair like that, sure? Here you go.
Finally.
Finally!
La.
At least you did
Oh my god, there's a scary man out there. Should we close the window?
Scary.
Scary old man.
Can I see? Can I see? Can I see? Oh, there's no CCTV.
What's happening?
It's coming. It's coming.
Oh my god.
Dito kami. Look at the window. Do not look at the chair.
Ay! Ayaw ko tumingin dyan!
Look at the old man.
I don't want to!
Oh, sir, what do you want?
Oh, what?
Sinusundan to say, oh my god, say, gusto ko niya, ayaw mo sa tanda, pero gusto mo kami.
Kiyatay?
They want you, say.
Kaya nga eh, pati yung kanina. Ikaw ah.
Mga matatanda pala yung ano.
Yung, gusto mo baby. Wala pa sa baby girl. Wala nga. Nilock in ka na ng mga matatanda.
I work at the gas station nearby.
I don't care.
Give me one shawarma.
Uy,
Shawarma.
wala siya. Wala,
Sa night
wala.
mission, oo, wala. Bye!
Bye, have a great time.
Bye, have a great time.
Will cut. Great service, really.
Great service.
You're welcome. Bye!
Hindi ba lang may copyright dyan sa tunog nila?
Ewan ko, saan ba galing yung tunog?
I don't know. Pero I like it.
Yan nga eh. Para nakikipag... Ayun na yung shorty mo! Yan ba yung shorty mo? Ay, hindi ka mukha lang.
Shawarma.
Matanda eh.
Sure thing, go ahead and pay when you...
Baka yung nanay ng shorty mo yan. Tama lang, mamanhikan ka na.
Is that your cat?
Is that your cat? May cat siya?
Oh, nines!
People say he's got a face on his back.
May pusa nga siya.
If you look...
Huh? Grabe naman yun. Yung pusa,
They say anyone who
yun tingnan mo
stares
yung
at the
likod
face.
nyo. Parang magkakaiwalay na lagi dinadrawing ni Sisi sa likod ng notebook niya.
Oo nga eh. Tsaka ni nines.
Oo, pati ni Nice.
Ganun ka rin ba,
Sorry, that
Levi?
lady. We're gonna serve.
Probably.
Don't look at the cat. Ah, don't look at the cat daw. Talaga.
Kasi may ay, charot.
Me- Pero we're gonna serve pa rin, di ba? Or are you still gonna serve that lady?
Probably. Probably. Pam 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 pam.
Here you go.
Finally,
Dun siya.
smells amazing.
Si Levi.
Meow. Asa si Levi?
Nasa likod. Ito.
Ay, pucha, may sumasayaw. Manggugulat to eh. Ha, bitch!
Oh, don't dance through, don't know music. Sige, go, go. Go, say go.
Ayan na yung shotty niya!
Do your move.
Ayan yung shotty niya!
Ba't ang lit mo, say?
Last time, kalbo ka ngayon. Wait, nawala ba si Levi? Ah, dito siya.
Nandito. Ito.
Ayun, nandito siya. Why are you there?
Say, serve
Ah,
her.
shit, baby girl.
Serve.
Bobby, hello, Bobby.
Hi, Bobby.
Oy, boy, magtrabaho ka, boy. Sino na doon?
Sumasayaw eh. Diba?
Bulaga. May sasayaw? Ay, meron sa likod! May nakaabang sa likod! Gagi kasi, andyan ka pa sa labas. Shawarma. Susundan na ni Say kasi mukha siyang mukha siyang shorty.
Mukha siyang aso.
Oh, yo! Wow!
Ay, sorry, say. Sorry, say. Pasmato yung bibig.
2 shawarma and soda can.
Isusumbong ko tong isang empleyado natin. Nasa labas lang lagi.
350.
Shawarma. Shawarma yung game, Babe.
Wala na tayong meat. We do not have meat.
I go take the meat.
Okay. Take sauce.
Sauce. Oy, Say. Ano ba yan? Security guard ka ba dyan? Si Q yarn.
Sauce, please.
May sigaw si Sino? Si
Sino?
hanap eh.
Ano narinig mo?
Yeah. Maikli kamay. Racy. Arigato. Oy, thank you sa heart me. Thank you sa love you so much. Thank you sa ice cream. Thank you sa Arigato. Dami. Grabe si Bobby. Bobby! Terminate na yan. Oo nga eh. Hindi nagwo-work.
Here's your shawarma.
Sino?
Si Vicente, hindi nagwo-work. Labas-labas lang. So, may gana pa maghanap ng shorty. Ah,
Ba't sinarado?
may something. Ah, hindi. Out na natin. Out na? Out na ba?
Turn off close. Turn off grill. We're going up. Oh, no, I cannot.
Arigato! Thank you sa fire. Thank you sa finger heart. Grabe ka, Bobby. Maraming salamat. Uy, day 3. Arigato. Pinasara doon talaga tayo itong... Ikaw! And now I play Warware. Okay. Palakas yarn. Dapat parang lasing na naman to.
Give me one.
H. Ang kulit.
Hello, sure, that will be 150.
Very,
Kaya nga eh.
Yeah, about that.
Thank you for the share, Bobby.
See, can you make one for free? I'm stopping. I'll pay you next time.
No.
No, what do you mean? We don't do service for free.
You cannot just... We're gonna... No.
Nuh-uh.
Choose not to serve. We're gonna close, diba?
Do we?
Close.
Do we close?
Kasi free daw eh. Hindi, nag-serve yan eh. Sa levy. I'ma put it. I'ma roll it.
I'ma roll it.
I'ma give
Here
it.
you go.
Love you too, Bobby. Thank you.
Enjoy! Wala tayo nakuha dun.
Enjoy Warware. Seryoso ba?
Libre yun.
Oo, yun na lang bawas natin sa sahod ni Say. Yeah. Love you daw, sabi ni Bobby.
Bakit yung income mo is 16,550 while I'm 3,400? I am serving the customers here and you guys are just
Matagal ko nang nilaro to.
I wanna quit this job!
Makinig ka sa akin. Sabi ni Bobby, I love you.
I love you too! I wanna quit this job! I only have 3,400.
Don't look at my income. I played this before. That's just sum ups.
One shawarma.
Galit
Training is
na.
nothing without
Nande! Bakit may butas-butas sa likod mo?
Yan yung may garapata eh. Garapata.
Nakuha natin yung pera niya. Nice.
Yun yung bayad sa kanina.
You close
Oh
the
my
window.
god, nagalit siya. Rawr!
How
Rawr, 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 rawr.
train without shawarma? This is dishonor.
Oh my god, nakakaano tignan yun sa likod niya.
Hindi ko alam eh. Mababa yung graphics ko eh.
Ay, hindi mo makita?
Ang nakikita ko, like, parang basa lang. Uy, kambal!
Uy, Say, oh, dalawang shorty! Say!
Oh,
Ay!
damn,
Okay, ba nababali? Oh, wow!
one shawarma
Alright,
for
that would be
each of
150.
each.
Yoko! Ba't ayaw mo? Dalawa yun, oh.
Yes, for both of you guys.
Eto, kunin nyo na to for both of you. Si Say.
For both of... Oh, we share everything! Oh,
Eto, i-share nyo to.
Go get say.
I-share nyo si Say.
Go get say.
Tabingi ulo.
Ayaw mo ba nun?
Ayaw mo nun, flexible. Charot! Naka-stream pala ako. Sumimasen. Ay, kang ina. What the fuck? Tan tan tananan tananan.
Come on, let's go.
Come on.
Spot the stranger. Spot the stranger. Saan ka na naman punta, bata?
Itong empleyado na to, labasan ng labas eh.
And welcome to Mr. Gungus's.
Ay! Sino nagmatay?
Parang galit yung customer natin.
That's rigged.
One shawarma.
What's your woman?
Don't grill it. I like it soft.
Ew.
Already
You like
that
it
will be
soft.
150.
Ay, sorry. I like it, yon.
You like it soft.
Here you
Give
go.
it to me, baby.
Perfect. Just how I like it.
Perfect.
I have a proposition for you.
What is it? Will you eat my booger for $1?
Nuh-uh. Ew.
What? Why am I here?
Are you
for
gonna eat it?
$1? Why not?
Oh my god.
To pay me 1,000 for eating a beer.
Yes daw, sabi ni Levi.
What naman! Kinuha niya yung 1,000 ko! Ano na?
Sino kumuha?
Yung customer ko.
Pagkatapos mong kainin yung booger niya. Ew.
3,000 yung pera ko kayo. 2,000 talaga.
Ninakawang ka pa. Ay, go.
Kumain pa ako ng
Ako bahala sa'yo. I have 17K. Ako bahala sa'yo. Don't eat other people's booger anymore. Nuh-uh. Haya! Putang anong to, naninipa pa oh.
Eating is nothing without
Haya!
food.
Asan na naman yung isa nating employee naman na anak ng pucha naman? Asan na ba yun? Ba't naninipa to?
Sa si Bruce Lee.
Ay.
Ano siya?
Dedicated siya.
From Tekken.
Kaya
Parang
nga
siya
eh.
sa Tekken. He looks smart. Saan na yun? Ay, nandito na pala yung Larosh.
Ay. Kapag lumapit ba ako, maano ba ako? Hindi ata, kasi si Say nga nasa labas eh.
Kasi hindi nga nagtatrabaho yung taong yun. Parang kayo naghahamon ng away dyan.
Here you go.
Oh, laban sa ano.
With this shawarma, I reach true strength.
Fair, dalawang kalbo. Okay. Who's that? Who was that?
Yawa.
Yawa, nande?
Wala lang. May nami kasi akong kuryente, kaya nag-off mic muna ako. Pero okay naman na daw.
So everything's okay.
One shawarma.
What's your warma?
Shawarma.
What's your
Don't grill
warma?
it. I like it soft.
Don't grill it. I
Why
like
did...
it soft.
Oh!
Already
ba
that will be 150.
I like it,
I like it soft.
Charot. I'm not cute anymore.
Here you go.
Here we go.
Perfect. Just how I like it. I
Oh,
have a proposition for you.
ayan yun ang agaw ng font kay Mochi, oh.
Excuse me. Ngayon nga yung agaw ng key ko, 1 key.
Sabi mo, ba't ka ganyan?
Someone's declining. Levi.
5,000? Kinuha niya 5,000? Scammer.
Yeah. Wala pa naman ako 5,000. Kakautang pa ako.
Ang sakit nun, magne-negative ka pa. La, may gumagalaw na shawarma natin, no? Iyo.
Ay! Nagulat ako.
Hi, one shawarma.
Uy, yung shotty ni ano ni. Yung shotty ni ano.
That's
Ni Seiji.
150.
Ano ba yun?
Great, thanks. It
Basta
already
blonde eh.
smells amazing.
Ayun din yung lines niya. It already
May
smells
sumasayo
amazing.
siya.
Oh, that's not
Sumasayaw.
her.
Dancing. Ako
Eh,
naman.
eh,
Ano?
eh.
Ako lang ba yun? Ay, sorry. Sinaraduhan na namin yung shotty mo.
You just shut the window.
Ako na magbabayad. Ang kulit niya sumayaw, nakatuwad lang. Tuwad-tuwad lang siya.
Tuwad.
Tapos nakaharap siya kay, nakatalikod siya kay Issei. Oh my god. What the hell? Ano yun? What's that? Ah,
Irashaimase.
Two shawarma, no grill.
ay sorry, party party.
300.
300.
Ay, may tao sa likod mo.
May kalpa sa likod niya.
Two shawarma I was about to order, and you slammed the window.
Unbelievable. Unbelievable.
Nagpa-pile up na yung snow, oh.
Oo nga, no?
Piled up na sila. Piled natin.
Tan, tan, tanan, tan. Uh-oh. Parang ang tagal ng shift natin na to, ah.
Please.
Baka sa quota.
Great.
Ayan na, sa iyan na talaga yung shot time, hindi siya sumasayaw. Kung ikaw magbabayad, walang ano, employee discount, ah. Bawal yun.
Hindi kayo mo paglagay, oh.
Sino yan? Sino ba yan? Katok ng katok eh. Ba't katok ng katok? Ulit
Here's your
ano.
order.
Nagpa-pile up na rin yung snow sa likod.
Oo.
Oh.
Mag-ano na tayo? Turn up the lights. Turn up the lights now. Turn up the lights.
She's beautiful.
Ala, Levi. Lakay, ano na yan eh. Mag-aagawan pa kayong dalawa.
Sinundan!
Hey, yo, Levi! Uy, Gagi, go get your girl!
Go get your girl!
Uy, Seiji. She's mine, bro. Oh my god. Well, she's mine now. Ayo. Oh my god, guys. Yari kayo sa boss natin.
Hindi ka pa nagtatapon ng basura.
Oo nga, Seiji. Grabe ka na.
Hindi mo na itapon yung basura.
Grabe ka na, Seiji.
Tatapon na daw siya. And, buhatin mo.
Oo, take yan.
One shawarma, please, and make it quick. I'm already late because of work.
Long shift.
Ay, putang ina mo! Ah.
Some food before heading home.
Your friend asked us to do this. Who is that?
Sinong kumagan?
Got it. The soda is 50.
Ba't ano, na ano yung controls ko? Shibal.
Total 200. Not cute.
I like it anymore. Ay, kamtsagya! Ah! Ang sakit na nga. Shibar!
How do you trigger that?
Here's your. Good.
That's you! Tawa-tawa ka pa dyan, kalbo ka, Levi!
Grabe siya. No.
Ang sakit na nga. Stop it. Paano kapag nag-pile up na yung mga ano dito? Snow? Are we even gonna go to work? Ay, yan yung walang mukha. Naa, dude. Naa.
Where's the walang mukha?
Don't look at his face.
One.
Okay. One.
Don't look at
Imagine
his
woman.
face.
Shawarma.
Please.
Puris.
Please.
Hello, that will be 150.
Hero.
Please make the payment.
Payment done.
Ay, ba't sinaraduan?
Ay, sorry.
Ikaw nag-click?
Normal.
Nakinlik ko.
Oh no. Magagalit kaya yan? Ay, yan na nga! Oh, shit. Continue. Ah, Robux niya. Sure.
Sumimasen.
Isaki.
Akala ko it's an anomaly.
And,
Di ba?
siya yung ano, nasa rules na ano, if a person doesn't have a face, just serve him, don't look at his face. Oo, siya yun eh.
Okay. I will remember that. Hindi ko nabasa lahat ng rules eh.
Sana tayo? Ay, ito. Yan kayo.
For these people.
The top? Grabe, 296 survive days? Damn! Tara na! Saan tayo? Dito? Parang 99 days para to, no? Pero ano, mas ano lang. Ma-effort kasi yung 99.
Mas matagal yung shifts. Doon mabilis eh. Mabilis yung shift. Yung days.
Oo. Pero mas mahirap din yung parang ginagawa kasi mag-iipon ka ng mga gamit-gamit. Dito naman kasi magsaserve ka lang.
Yes.
Yeah. Hello guys, newbie po ako. 99 days is easy, I think.
I think.
Good naman siya.
Welcome to your night shift at Shawarma Kiosk. Let's
Kiosk.
talk basics.
Yes.
Great.
Great!
Ooh. It's long.
Wow, 400. Damn!
We have our first customer.
Fake customer. Sinaraduan ni Levi! Oh my God! Ala, Levi, nandito na yung customer, oh. Nagagalit na, oh.
And now, there's our first customer.
One shawarma. Haven't eaten since lunch.
Parang gusto ko tuloy ng shawarma. Nakakainis naman.
Uy, skeleton siya. Ay, Attack on Titan.
What? Oh nga. Oh my God. Sasageo. Shizo yu sasageo. Ay, sorry. Akahilo pala yun. Iikot ako ng i. Attack on Grandma. Visit ka.
Ba't andito ang braso niya?
Oo nga, ang ikli ng braso. What?
Sure, that will be 350.
Sure. Uy, dalawa sila. Really? You slammed the door on my face? Yeah, really.
Really, really.
Look, nag-stuck.
I was literally standing here and you slammed the window.
Yeah.
What's wrong with you?
What is wrong with you? I'm not kidding anymore. Pumatanda. Ay, putang ina! Aray ko. Sino yan?
And
Knock
don't
ng
make it
pocha.
too greasy. My doctor already nags me enough.
Ikaw na naman yung Levi Kalbo ka!
Be 100.
Sakit nga eh. Ba't ganun yung kamay niya? Parang may ano, may dugo-dugo ba yun or ano? What? Um, Di nag-aaya. Malay ko ba, sure akong gusto maglaro nito. Pero di nga guys, tinamon dumi ng kamay ni Lolo.
Di ba
Balik ka
pwede
na sa
yung
mga boys mo, Ate May.
Arigato!
Visit ka, Ashura. Thank you sa heart me, man.
boys mo? Sino yung mga lalaki mo?
Ewan ko dyan.
Akala mo silosong ano eh.
Kaya nga eh, buang.
Arigato!
Ano daw? His talking is not magalo. You're awesome. Thank you sa you're awesome. Grabe ka na, Ashura. Ang lalaman na. I don't know. Sabi niya, ano eh. May grand kid siya, di ba?
Here you go.
May sumasayo sa gitna oh.
MPH.
Manggugulat.
Don't
Nawala
walk,
na.
please.
Aray ko! Shibal. Dati na may kausap lang siya sa stream niya last time. Oh god, I hate this.
Oo, may kausap lang ako sa stream. Puppy.
Ew. Dalawang lalaki. Ano naman eh, nasa stream ko nga sila. Jeffrey, makulit kasi. Yung isa nagjo-joke. Nagjo-joke. Mga tatay jokes.
Sino yung kausap? Sino
Ako.
yung kausap mo nag-last? Tsaka?
Ano lang yun? Like, watchers, ganun. Tapos makulit.
Ay, grabe. Kala mo sa losang joke. Sa stream? Sino? Dalawang lalaki pa? Ako matulog. I'm sleeping.
Bawal gumausap ng watcher.
Kaya nga. Ewan ko ba dyan kay Ashura?
Oh my god, why is it so foggy?
Yung chat?
One for my body.
Ewan ko pa.
Got it.
What do you mean, what one for your body? Where is your body? Buddy. It's so dark.
Personal! Personal!
Oh my god, ang daming tao.
Yay!
How do you do? Anong gagawin mo dyan? Mama mo. Are we not gonna close the window? I want to fly too. Hey. What do we do in this situation? Ano gagawin sa ganito? Kasi may mga mumu sa likod niyo.
Oh, ano?
Arigato!
Arigato! Thank you sa fried chicken, man. Grabe, may pa-fried chicken si Ashura.
Another lavish? Lavish?
It's gonna wait it out lang. Wala tayong gagawin na iba. Okay. Ay, kamtsagya! Shibar! Ay, reset.
Arigato!
Arigato! Uy, thank you sa Santa Heart. Bakit may baso dito
Here's
sa
your
baba?
shawarma. Thanks, man. He'll be jealous I got the bigger one.
Oh, you like a bigger one. Charot. Ayoko na. Wala na tayo shawarma. Ay, mali. Mag-grill. Gusto ko mag-grill. Sino yung isa niyong kasama, Ate May? Si Levi. Si Levi to. Tsaka si Vicente yung isa ito.
Si Vicente.
Si Seiji. Seiji Vicente.
Once you're warmer, haven't eaten since
Haven't
lunch.
eaten since lunch.
Alright, that will be one.
Oh, wait. Ayan na, si Levi. Yan nag-comment. Bakit? Ay, oo nga pala. Ano tayo kanina, namatay tayo kanina. Sabihin ko sa, ba't December 1 ulit?
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Smells amazing.
It's a celebration. Ma'am. Ba't di pa siya umaalis? May coke pa ba? I don't know. Ang kulit ng branding na nilagay nila. Brepsi.
Brepsi. Why
Brepsi.
do you have Brepsi?
Did you guys play 99 Days to? Yeah. Uy ka, hello. Wala akong journey. Wala akong journey.
Wala. Uy, grabe zombie. There's a zombie out. There's a zombie
Be on your lawn. Rawr. Rawr, 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 rawr. Tawa siya eh.
Daijoubu desu ka?
Oh my god, may galis siya sa likod. Ew. Konti na lang ate, may makalaro ko na kayo sa Warren Smith. Ayun o! Knock na po siya.
Knocks naman.
Galing naman yan. Knock na po siya. May ano siya guys, may galis siya sa likod. Ew.
Nakuha na natin yung cute.
Boses babae. Tapos hindi shorty, no? Wala.
Kailangan na.
Lala neto.
How can a warrior train without shawarma?
Oh, may lawit.
This is a dishonest.
Ayaw mo yung milalaroin ka. Ay, charot. Oh my god, naka-stream pala ako.
What?
Sobrang shock ni Sheena na wala siya ng muka.
Visit, wala talagang buka.
Wala tayo eh. Si Zay kasi parang may muka. Ito mo naman nun, naka-shades pa eh. Kala may mata eh. Wala naman mata. Si Levi, dito lang oh. Tapos mamaya manggugulat na naman to.
I
Sige.
work at the gas station nearby.
We, talaga ba tol?
Shawarma extra sauce.
Hindi shorty. Shorty. Pero hindi siya nawawala. So legit siya ngayon. Tawa-tawa ka pa dyan ah. Tawa-tawa pa dyan.
Legit.
La.
Baka may... Wala. Ay.
Kung sabihin mo Tyron Ace.
Doon kami o doon ka sa ano, party or whatever.
Sa?
Doon ka o tayo ka lang doon sa pwesto tapos ka lang.
Dito lang oh. Yes sir.
Here you go.
Here you go.
Ma'am, better than our
Turn
vending
off
machine.
lights, the grill enters.
Yay! Levi, tawa na matulog, Levi. Liga na.
Level is girl.
Naknang po, tsaka naman si AG. Kala mo security guard eh.
Come on, let's go. Can we go? Like, tayo lang ba yung pagkain nandito?
Yeah. Come on, let's get to it. Day 2.
Hi!
Ay, Otskare. Ay, hindi. Tapos na pala. Dapat pala.
Otskare.
Dapat pala kanina yan.
Oh, 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 oh,
Oh, so po to. 10 min... Oh, parang si Michael Jackson lang. Knock na po siya.
Stuck siya.
Nasaan na siya? Nawala siya man. Come on! Oh! Ba't may ano tayo? Customer tayo, kalbo. Customer natin, kalbo. Oh! Sinaratuan na siya! Gantiyan kayo, ah! Ginantiyan ka, Levi, oh. Bastos.
Gantiyan sila eh.
Kaya nga eh. Kanina nagagawan sila ng ano, shorty. Ngayon. Ito guys, so gusto niyo to, shorty to.
This is Mamma Mia.
Mm-mm.
Mamma Mia.
One shawarma and soda.
Damn, girl.
Long day.
PH,
Sadie,
doctor
hashtag
this
ka.
week. Then shopping. My feet are killing me.
Hashtag ka.
Understood.
Yan.
Total
Mukhang marami siyang sinabing mga good
I'll
stuff.
pay by card.
Good stuff. Grabe yung lakad. Kaya nga eh. Ayan o, ba't di niya pag-agawan din yan? Smash! Wow! Wood smash? Wow! Damn, bro!
He wants the booty.
Ah! Wow! Kaputang ina, what the fuck? Mamma Mia! Why is your phone like that? The fuck? Yo, what?
Mamma Mia.
Visit.
Mamma Mia.
Nagulat ako sa ringtone niya. Yawa ka. Feel good ka pa. Shoota ka, mama.
Shoota ka, mama. Yawa ka, mama.
Yo, mama.
You, mama. You're...
Yo, mama.
Hey, the soda. You forgot the
Here
soda.
you go.
Finally, at least you don't mess around like the others.
Oh, who messes you around, mama? Oh my
Say,
god,
I
mama.
think it's say.
Oh my god, you messed her up. Oh my god. Whoa.
Damn.
Wow. Ay, sorry. Nakastrip lang ako. Kaya nare-restrict eh. I'm lagging, bro. What the heck?
Try mo pa babaan yung graphics mo?
Good evening. What would you like?
Good evening.
One shawarma.
What's your mama?
Shawarma.
Regular one 150. Any extras? No extras.
No
Just make it
excess.
fast.
Just make it event. Make
Got it.
event.
That'll be 150.
Got him. Got him. Is he good, guys?
She good. She good.
Uy, mabuti siya. Mabuti siyang tao.
Mabuting tao. Is it mabuti or mabuti?
I think both. Di naman oh. Wow.
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 I'll make it fast for you, sir.
Tita mo, mabuti talaga siyang tao. Oh my god.
May.
Ay, sorry.
You're streaming?
Ay, sorry. Yawa.
Ano ba? Huwag kang mag-go.
Here's your shawarma.
Is your shawarma.
Good.
Eat, guys. Eat. So, na shawarma.
Do you mean eat the guys or
Eat the
let's
boo.
eat
Ay,
guys?
never mind.
We gotta use our like punctuations. Come on.
Yun nga eh.
Do we eat the guys or
I'm eating shawarma. Grabe siya, oh. Asan yung sa amin?
Sana all?
Asan yung sa amin?
Let me gimme.
Penge.
Gimme. Gimme.
When your emails are hold you so
Long day
tight.
on the road.
Really?
Shawarma and soda.
What shawarma?
I'm
Uy,
sure that will be 200.
meron siyang dibdib.
Just a moment, it'll be ready.
Dip-dip?
Alright, I'll wait.
Madibdib siya.
Ah. Maraming dinidip-dip to. Cheers!
Ako na magbubuhat sa iyo.
Ha?
Wala.
What?
What?
Nagiging kambing ako sa'yo. What? Guys! Serve him food! Not just look at this.
Sorry, not just look at his future.
Yeah. Ang kulit ang tenga niya yun, ah. Yeah, I take Prepsi. And then Prepsi. Is it Prepsi?
Finally, someone.
Naglo-loading yung lakad niya sa akin. Tak.
Yan.
Oh, akala ko ako lang. Ay, may kalbo. Visit na kalbo. Ay, sorry, Levi. It's not you. It's not you.
It's not you. Yeah, siya nasa corner na lang eh.
No! Hindi, kumakain siya ng shawarma. Dito tayo binibigyan.
Sana all, no?
One shawarma. Haven't eaten since lunch.
Ano siya? Skeleton.
Alright, that will be
Skeleton.
150.
Ano siya? Ah, yung ano?
Attack on Titan siya. Sasageo siya.
Sasageo, Sasageo.
Sasageo.
I've been shopping today.
Ginzo,
Oh,
Sasageo. Loading yung lakad nyo.
Nanan.
Loading lakad. Non. Pili ka shawarma.
Hindi ka sure.
So, gusto ko ng shawarma. Pero yung sa Turks, yung gusto ko. Ay, bawal pala magsabi na.
Damn. Meron ba nandito? May?
Wala nga eh. Sa ano?
May. Tingnan mo si, si Levi.
Ay! Kamchagya! Shibasekya! Hajima! Nande!
Nakita mo si Levi, di ba?
Nakita ko yung box sa puwet niya gumalaw. Ay, gagi, ito yung ano, yung may muka. Ay, walang muka. Ay, walang muka! Sino tumingin? Ay, she po. Ay, na she. Ay, ko.
Sino tumingin?
Ay, gago, may tao sa ref? What the fuck?
May tao sa ref. Anong gagawin pag may tao sa ref?
Do we go?
Go outside?
Ay, nilapitan pa nila. Mama mo!
It's like, is that a boss?
Halulu. Halulu?
Hi, one shawarma.
Uy, yung shorty nyo!
Si Maui. Wowie!
Mami, wawi.
Thanks, it already smells amazing.
Going back to
Sumasayaw siya.
just to get back.
Eh, mami, wawi. Mami, wawi.
Wowie! Yan, tama na yung
Tama na yung sayaw mo, girl.
admiring.
Maaakit mo pa yung dalawa ditong tao. Pinag-aagawang ka na nga.
Bakit siya nagsasalita? Bakit siya nagsasalita? I think you
Nagsalita siya once sa warma eh, sabi niya sa akin.
Oo, pero hindi pa siya nagre-reklamo na sinarahan mo siya.
Oh, sino pa nag-open?
Ito si Zane, kasi gusto niya
Kasi shorty! Ay, papatay tayo niyan! Ande. Ayan na. Si Levi hindi masyadong marupok. Si ano lang, si Say lang
You
marupok.
just shut the window on me. I'll remember that.
Yan,
No.
sayawan ka na doon ni Zane. Nilabasan niya.
Wala, habulin pa nga. Oh, mawi.
Oh, mau.
Reset.
Maui. Ano? Hinatid mo na ba? Say? Hi, irashaimase.
Kalbo.
2 shawarma, no grill.
Nani o susume desu ka?
300.
300.
300. Ang mahal, no?
He good. He good. He good. Dalawa kasi binili niya. He good.
I think.
Diyan ka lang, May. Doon ka lang, May. Tayo ka lang doon. Tapos ka lang.
Hello, sir. How's your day going?
Mo, May.
Ito naman, nagme-make conversation lang eh.
No. We don't talk to strangers.
But it's our customer! What about the customer service?
Customer nga pala yun.
Dua.
Dua. We don't have meat anymore.
You want some of my meat? Charot.
Oh, wow.
Wow. Ito kasi yun, no? I grilled the meat.
Here's your shawarma.
So, it's my meat.
But why not? Right?
Wow.
Wow.
Yawa.
Yung isa natin trabahador.
Ayan na naman siya. Ewan ko ba? May?
Nag-chat na lang.
Aray ko! Oh my
Nasa
God.
gasaan si Say.
Hindi, nasa likod siya. Nasa likod siya ng ano natin eh. Parang bang security guard.
Akala ko si Say nasa gasaan eh.
Andyan yung ano, andyan yung Momo. Hindi mo na ako magugulat kupay kang kalbo ka. Ay, hindi ikaw yung Debbie ah.
Grabe siya sa kalbo.
Eh, kasi yung kalbo na yun ang gugulat.
Okay. Oh, no.
May kumakatok na naman.
Irashamase!
Ay, puta na! Stop!
Bakit sinaraduhan mo?
Hindi yan yung matay.
Can't cook after
Yan
Sana
yung...
kinuha muna natin yung pera.
Ay, yun na nga. Alam mo namang mahirap na si Sheena. Kinuhaan siya kanina na 1,000 man. Debbie, tawa-tawa ka pa dyan. I know it's you. Bakit yung buhok mo nasa puwet? Charot. Paano tong ano na to? Tignan mo, parang ano. Parang siyang...
Here's your shawarma and soda can.
May momo na naman dito.
Sure, that will be 350.
Meron siyang kasama.
Ayan na naman yung dalawa sila pero ano, isa lang yung nakikita. No, not tonight.
Literally standing here and you slammed the window.
Aray ko! Stop!
Yamete kore.
Namete ko na yun.
Kulay. We have coffee here but we're not using the coffee.
Ayan na, gusto na magkape ni Sheena. Non.
One iced coffee, please.
Ayun, kito may sticker dito.
Where?
Sa may radio, sa left side.
What kind of sticker is that? I cannot see.
Looks like a girl.
Oh. Looks like a skeleton.
Magite.
Ano ba?
Ano ba yun? Ang likot-likot mo, CG.
Excuse me. Are we done for the night?
Wala na tayong customer.
Kaya nga eh. Labas kayo. Mag-aya kayo ng customer.
Oo nga. Magbigay kayo ng flyers dun.
Bigay ng flyers.
Labas din sila. Ba't sinaraduhan mo?
Lumabas ka! Lumabas ka din doon!
Bakit? Tapos na ba? Magsabi na ba ng tapos? Di ba hindi pa?
Tapos na ba? Are we done for the night?
I don't know. Jalebi.
Baka. Baka.
Hindi, naghanap kasi Levi ng customer, oh. Wala na customer siya.
What if nasagasaan tayo?
Nasasagasaan ba tayo?
Nalugi daw tayo.
Wala! Wala!
There's a cut, oh.
Si Nines yun eh.
Wala ng customer.
Kaki man.
Cause tonight will be the night that I'll
Fall for you!
Ganda ng buwan, no?
Oo nga eh. Pa-order! Pa-order! La! Sinara doon! What kind of customer service is this? Let me speak to manager. Where's your manager?
The manager is over there at the trash can.
Gagi nag-log ata kaya wala tayong customer.
Kaya nga eh. Hello? Can I do for you? Once I want to nag-vlog po, ticket. Sinarod. Okay.
Mali yung lines. Dapat sasabihin mo, I just ordered. I just slammed the door in front of me. Ayan, si Say.
Baka bug nga.
Nag-bug nga ata. May mali sa ulo.
May ano ko rin dahil kalbo.
Dahil walang buhok. Grabe ka. Yung mali niya nasa puwet. Gago, nasa puwet na sinabi niya. So, yun na guys. Magta-try ba tayo maglaro ng iba? Do you wanna try other game? Racist. Nag-aaway silang dalawa. May pala dito, flyer. Shawarma, soda, sauce. Overpricing. Charot. $99 days or Dead Rail is good.
Hindi ko pa na-try yung Dead really.
Ako din, actually. Saan tayo punta, Shi?
Hindi, I can't leave nga daw eh. Nakulap.
Oh?
I can't leave.
I can't leave.
Dibi doubt you.
Can't leave. To live without you. Di Dead Rails, try natin. May barilan yun, di ba? Barilan yun tsaka survival eh.
Ay, ba? Akala ko zombie pa ako.
May zombie, yeah. Tas may mga other, din, killers. Yarn. Kayo na bahala sa akin, guys. Tatago na lang ako sa tren.
Without you.
Tara, lipat tayo.
Let's go.
Let's go. Silent Mansion. OF